Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tiens in Dragon Ball FighterZ. Tiens is a formidable character known for his aggressive, close-range combat style. He can apply immense pressure on opponents and has unique abilities that trade a small amount of his own health for devastating attacks. Understanding his core strengths is key to mastering his playstyle and dominating your matches. We will cover his essential moves and strategies to help you get started. Tiens' special moves are central to his offensive game. The Dodon Ray is a quick, horizontal projectile, perfect for controlling space or extending combos. His signature Neo Tri-Beam is a multi-hit attack that deals significant damage, though it costs a small amount of his health. The Volleyball Fist is a command grab, excellent for breaking through an opponent's guard. Finally, Telekinesis provides quick movement options, enhancing his pressure game. Building basic combos with Tiens is straightforward. Begin with his light auto combo, which is a simple 3-hit sequence. You can then extend these combos by incorporating his Dodon Ray, launching your opponent for further attacks. For maximum damage, finish your combos with the powerful Neo Tri-Beam. Remember to mix up your offense with his command grab, the Volleyball Fist, to keep your opponents guessing and break their defenses effectively. To truly master Tiens, focus on advanced strategies. Health management is crucial, especially when repeatedly using Neo Tri-Beam. Balance its power with your remaining health. His assist is incredibly versatile, perfect for extending your own combos or helping teammates. Practice the timing of his command grab to open up defensive opponents. Finally, Tiens' level 3 super, the Farewell, Tiens, is a devastating finisher that can turn the tide of any match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.